Something I hear constantly from enterprise tech leaders is we have outgrown our e-commerce platform, but every alternative, in particular SaaS solutions like Shopify or BigCommerce, feel like a compromise we just cannot afford to risk. After years of working with large enterprises, I've seen this pattern repeat itself way too many times. The truth is, enterprise operations have requirements that SaaS platforms were never designed to meet, like compliance mandates or custom integrations, not to mention full customizability or self-hosting. So in this video, I will walk you through why source-available self-hosted e-commerce makes sense for enterprise organizations and how it delivers the control, security, and flexibility that such operations require. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about why SaaS platforms just are not enough for enterprise businesses. The fundamental issue is you don't own anything. Shopify, BigCommerce, every customer receives identical core functionality, and your customization is limited to their APIs, which, by the way, change constantly. They call it progress. So when they decide to change something, you have to keep up. You have no choice. You need to adapt and fast, meaning your entire operation relies on what your vendor decides to do next, this month, next month. But enterprise needs are fundamentally different. You need deep, stable integrations with controlled change management, and compliance isn't optional. SOC 2, ISO, HIPAA, sector-specific regulations. Single sign-on is a must. The full list of those NFRs sometimes goes into hundreds. Plus, the economics work against you at scale. Transaction fees compound dramatically with volume. Charges multiply for each store, vendor, or tenant that you add, if you can add them. Essential features are locked behind higher pricing tiers, and you can't even audit the security of the underlying tech stack. So, what is the alternative? We have built SpreeCommerce to solve these exact challenges. The SpreeCommerce Enterprise Edition offers support, scalability, and security that enterprise businesses require. For businesses that require advanced and complex e-commerce capabilities, SpreeCommerce Enterprise Edition adds enterprise-grade features, support, and security. It comes with 3 main modules, and each module is delivered separately as a private library for your core application. The modules are multi-vendor marketplace, B2B e-commerce, or multi-tenant e-commerce. The multi-vendor marketplace module allows you to onboard dozens or hundreds of third-party vendors to sync their products into your marketplace platform, to offer those products to your customers who can buy products from multiple vendors in a single order and make a single payment for this multi-vendor order, which then is broken down into sub-orders so that vendors could fulfill each sub-order independently, shipping the goods directly to the customer. This marketplace functionality allows to not only sync products from the vendors, including the stock levels, but also sync orders back to the vendors, get tracking information from the vendors, and automate vendor payouts. This is a fully automated marketplace platform that ensures smooth operations, satisfied vendors, and confident shoppers. The B2B e-commerce module allows you to either go wholesale or sell high-value items, with customers requesting accounts to see prices, with customer segmentation, with pricing per customer or customer segment, with user organizations and user roles, and complex, sophisticated post-purchase support. Everything a B2B use case requires. Multi-tenant e-commerce module allows you to host hundreds of independent stores, either as a standalone SaaS or as a composable headless microservice integrated with your existing solutions, such as your ERPs, your PIMs, your CRMs, your authentication, and your entire ecosystem. Why enterprises choose Spree? Because of unlimited customizability. Build any workflow or integration. Because it's API first. It's perfect for composable architectures and mobile apps. Because of its deployment flexibility. Run on any cloud, region, or your own infrastructure. Because it's highly scalable. You can apply caching, load balancing, CDNs, auto-scaling, you name it. Because it offers full ownership. No vendor lock-in, full control of your proprietary IP. And most of all, it offers enterprise security and support. SpreeCommerce Enterprise Edition provides your business with hardening of authentication, authorization, and data protection. Priority support for incident resolution, optional managed private cloud with 24/7 monitoring, auto-scaling, and SLAs. If you like the sound of everything so far and you are interested in getting started with Spree or evaluating it for your needs, we have a 12-step process. Step 1, meet and greet. Let's get to know each other and talk about our goals. Step 2, NDA and project review. So we dive a bit deeper into your current systems and technical environment. Step 3. Requirements checklist. We compare what you need against what Spree offers out of the box. Anything that requires custom development gets flagged here, so you have a visibility into what's available out of the box and what's not. Step 4. Architecture. We map out how Spree integrates with your existing ecosystem. This covers integrations, hosting, and infrastructure decisions. Step 5. Budget estimation and timeline. Let's see if our delivery pace can match your requirements and expected timeline. Step 6. Delivery team structure. We figure out the best way to work together, whether that's our team delivering the solution you need or embedding with your team to work together. Step 7, 8, 9, 10. Procurement, licensing, support options, and hosting setup. Step 11, 12. Project delivery and handover. Once we deliver everything you need over the next 6 to 9 months, we can keep working together maintaining the solution or hand it over to your team. More complex, multifaceted projects are more likely to take 12 to 18 months, but the relationship can continue post-launch. We provide ongoing maintenance and support as your platform grows and evolves. Finally, let's talk about who this is for. First, enterprises that require absolute control over everything. Non-negotiable compliance and security standards. Must have integrations with existing systems like ERP, CRM, PIM, or fulfillment systems. Must have ability to inspect and verify the entire code base. Must have audit log for accountability and visibility. Second, business models that break SaaS assumptions. B2B operations with complex sales processes like RFP and RFQ. Wholesale channels with specialized payment requirements and sales processes. Marketplace models connecting multiple sellers or global operations spanning regions, currencies, and languages. If any of that sounds like your situation, click the first link in the description to book an exploratory call with me and my team. On the call, we'll dig into your specific challenges, walk through how our 12-step go-live process could work for you, and figure out if this makes sense for your organization. So again, click the first link below to get started, and we'll talk to you soon.